Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Packeta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the profile button on the bottom of the page on the right, and click on the user support contact. And here you can choose from two different options, so you can either call the customer service or you can write an email to them. And as you can see, they are available from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.